is Karma's World, and this is toy number 1, which is Karma. Pretty cool. It comes in this nice box. Of course, everything is recyclable, and nice musical toys. Out of the box, it comes like this. It kind of looks like a notebook, and you can make your own beats with Karma and her friends at happymeal.com. Nice. It opens up, and then when it opens up, it has like this microphone here. It comes out, I guess, with the stand to make a microphone. And then page 1. Here are some of my faves: Karma Grand, Lady K Studio, my friends writing rhymes. You could write your name here, instructions, and this is how to make this microphone. And then it has this game over here where help connect the icons to their mics. So we have to go from here to here, and then a matching game quiz, and then from here we have to go follow the line, coloring activity, bunch of activities in here, and then the whole thing is recyclable. Spot 10 differences, and it comes with this. It comes with one paper, one pencil inside. It's actually a very nice looking pencil here. Pretty cool. And connect the dots, which this is my favorite. And then more activities here. You're a star. Write a message to share with someone you care about. And then over here, Karma's comic strip. Create your own comic strip with Karma and her friends. So you create your own comic, and then you have to match the matching pair of microphones. And then photo match. Can you find the matching square in the picture? So we have to match. We have to find this kind of like battlefield in a way, in some sort of way. And then you could create your own song lyrics here. These are the answers. And so easy answer key. Pretty cool. And stickers, yippee, to sticker things up. It comes with a bunch of stickers. And decorate your journal. So now we could decorate the journal. Pretty cool. Nice toy. So I like it in a way because it takes a lot of time to do this. That's pretty cool. I'm going to make this microphone over here. Just cut it out. Cut this circle out. Cut the holes in the inside like that. And then let's take this out. Okay. And the instructions are here. These are the instructions. Okay. I'm just gonna do something on like that. And then like that. Like that. And then for someone, I'm just gonna fold them like this. I'm just gonna make them foldable at first, and then I'm gonna make that foldable. Okay, so they're all foldable. That's foldable. That's foldable. That's foldable. That's foldable. Okay, so I'm gonna A to B like that, and then B to B, kind of like that, and then these two like this. So now we folded it, and then what we do now is we take it to the back side. Like we go to the back side and connect it from the back like that, and then we push it in like that there. So now it's kind of like this, like that. And then you just wanna like this in a way so it's more like it doesn't move around a lot. And then we could now put it in here somehow. Yeah, like this. So push it in. the way through there. Now we have a microphone there. This was it. Now I could sing a song. I'll sing an Elvis Presley song. Or you could sing a Michael Jackson song. Pretty cool. Nice microphone. Kind of hard to make in a way, but nice.